Good afternoon, everyone. I am Syed Abdul Mateen from Batch 9, and today I'm here to give my internship presentation, which was done on machine learning domain under the guidance of Professor Santosh E. The flow of the presentation is as follows. First, we'll look into the brief details of the company, followed by brief details about the internship. Then we will look into the work done by me during the internship, along with the project process and then the algorithms in project along with their comparison. Then we will look into the skills gained during the internship, benefits of the internship, and certificate of completion. IC Solutions is a private company located in Bangalore, Karnataka. It offers creative services to clients worldwide. ICS provides all kinds of technological and designing solutions from billing software to web designs or any custom demands that we may have. The company has designed and developed many websites for their clients worldwide, and all those are displayed on their official web page, to which the link is provided over here. And the link to the company's LinkedIn is provided over here. Services provided by ICS are digital marketing, web development, mobile application, graphic design, consultancy, and videos. ICS performs digital marketing of all types like email marketing, social marketing, search engine optimization, and content marketing. ICS develops responsive, functional, and super fast websites. ICS also offers wide range of professional Android, iOS, and hybrid app development services for global clients from a startup to a large enterprise. ICS offers professional graphic design, brochure design, and logo design. ICS provides us expert advice on our design and development requirement. ICS creates polished professional videos that impress our audience. The duration of the internship was 30 days, which was from 11th November 2020 to 12th December 2020. We were first trained on the basics of Python and machine learning, and we were also provided with hands-on experience over different data analysis and visualization libraries. At the end of the training, we were divided into a group of three and were given a project which was to build a regression model and to build a regression model using supervised machine learning algorithms. Along with the project, we were asked to make a report of the project process being carried out, and we were asked to submit the report along with the project for evaluation. A mentor was assigned to us who would help us with all the queries regarding project and would evaluate our performance. Intern was graded based on the performance, and a certificate of completion was provided. A problem of car prices was given to us as automobile sales are on a global increase, so there is a need for car price prediction system to effectively determine the worthiness of the car using a variety of features. The objective of our project during the internship period was to predict the price of a car by training different machine learning regression models on the given dataset and evaluate the performance of individual models. Outcome of the project was that the performance of individual models were evaluated to select one with the highest accuracy and to maximize the efficiency of price prediction system. The project process was something like this. First, we cleaned the dataset which was provided to us. Then we used different data analysis. Then we used different data analysis and visualization libraries to showcase our data. Then we trained the dataset and evaluated the performance of the model using 6 different algorithms. which are linear regression, random forest regressor, gradient boosting regressor, support vector regression, decision tree regressor, extra tree regressor. And out of these algorithms, the best algorithm was selected based on the performance, which we'll discuss in the next slide. Next is the performance of the different algorithms. We can see that linear regression model showed the accuracy of 81.04%. Random forest regressor showed the accuracy of 86.34%. Gradient boosting regressor showed the accuracy of 85.35%. Support vector regression showed the accuracy as 86.2%. Decision tree regressor showed the accuracy of 71.90%. Extra tree regressor showed the accuracy of 83.51%. Here, support vector regression and random forest regressor showed the accuracy, but the random forest regressor showed the best accuracy, which was 86.34%. So the random forest regressor was concluded as the best model. During the internship, we were exposed to extreme time management, problem solving, decision making, project management, project planning, and teamwork skills. We were also exposed to Python environment, followed by Python notebooks, utilization of packages, different data analysis and visualization libraries, and the approach towards machine learning and optimization of model. The benefits gained from this internship was that we got a chance to apply the classroom knowledge, and we gained industry level skills which would help us in coming future. Overall, the experience gained in IC Solutions as an intern was a very valuable experience, as we got an exposure to industry level projects and skills, the project process, industry level project process and skills. This is the certificate of completion of internship. Thank you.